Here's one for the off-road fans, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. As you can see, lifted and a lot of custom work done to that, and we're going to get into that in just a little bit. This is a one-owner vehicle, originally purchased in our area. Know the history of this vehicle. It does say more than one owner on the Carfax due to the fact changed addresses, but same owner has had this since new. We know the history of the vehicle. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 100,000 on this vehicle. Now, underneath the hood, LS power, 5.3 liter, V8, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic transmission with overdrive. And I'll try to highlight on quite a few of the things as we do a little walk around here. There is a folder of receipts, some manuals. If you got any questions, call in, take a look at all the still pictures. First of all, where you can do that at, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Call in, 507-386-1726. All right, now let's hit on some of these things. It does have the LS that I mentioned, 5.3 liter. That was installed at Motec in Las Vegas. There's receipts in the neighborhood of $24,000 to $25,000 doing that. It does have Bilstein shock upgrade, new resized drive shafts, of course with the 5.3 liter added, rock crawler suspension, Quadratec self-recovery winch. As you can see up front here, we do have it behind our plate. There's also a remote for that plugs in. That'll go along with it. Some other things, tune, some of that stuff, and I'll show you in just a bit that will go along with it. Has electric brake in there. Poison Spider trail cage kit, as well as rectangular LED marker light and headlights. You can see the one down below, and then of course the one up top. Poison Spider hood insert, as you can also see, for venting of the hood. Paint on the vehicle, it does show nice, has a camel colored interior, bucket seats up front, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, and take a little closer look. And in the still pictures, you're going to have a lot better idea kind of on the interior, a little easier for me to get in there with the camera, get some still pics. Remember to check those out too, and I'll tell you where in just a bit again. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. And you can see from the bumpers, to the wheel flares, to the step bars or Nerf bars, a lot of custom stuff done on this Jeep. Soft top that goes kind of like a Bimini top, that will go with it. A belt, there you can see the winch handle, your ProCal module, and your tuning stuff as far as the LS. And then there's the box for the actual trailer brakes. Rear bumper, obviously, custom. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can take your time looking through those still pictures. So take a look down the driver's side. Of course, the soft top removable on this one. Take a little closer peek at this interior. I'm going to grab the keys. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Get a look at the seating surfaces. Like I said, in the still pictures, it's probably a little easier to get an idea what this interior is like, because I could climb up in, take pictures, use both hands. So take your time looking through the still pictures of the interior. Let me pause this real quick, and then I'm going to climb up in here. We're going to fire it up and get the hood open. Here's your exact miles while we're here, 101,137. And again, actual miles, cleaned Carfax. All right, let me grab the keys, like I said. Get this fired up. We're going to pop the hood and check it out a little closer. All right, I grabbed the keys and popped the hood. Well, I had the camera down in both hands, make it a lot easier. All right. So we're gonna fire it up. Ooh, that LS sounds good. Again, there's your miles. A little closer look at the dash here. interior. Here's the trailer brake. Mentioned that earlier. See it a little bit better. Of course, heated seats, AC, stereo system. Everything looks pretty stock on the interior, with the exception of course, the cage and the bars and that type of stuff. You can see, nicely done. Sound bar back there also. All right. Now, let's take a look underneath here. Listen to that. Smooth running. Motec, where the swap was done at. There's receipts for that. Nice quality job. There'll also be a short video, this vehicle driving. You kind of get a virtual ride along, if you will, with a driving video here at the end. So if you stick around, you're going to see that also. But feel free to call in. Very nice custom Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 2013 model year. All those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. This Jeep is lifted. We've got a roll cage on the inside. This is an automatic on the center console. Temperature is right in the middle of the gauge, and fuel is also at half. Tachometer and speedometer working. Very fun to drive Jeep. Good acceleration. Nice soft Baja style suspension. Stereo working great. Got bucket seats in this machine. A little bit of wind noise, as you might expect from a soft top Jeep. Letting go of the wheel. This Jeep stays pretty straight. There's a little bit of wind out there today. Brakes are working well. Nice firm shifts in this Jeep. Great exhaust sound.